Morning children. Beta, today we are till exercise 18.2 we have completed, and today we are going to learn about the discount and the how to find the marked price in the given questions. Okay, here are some formulas I have written. You can see them. Okay, see them. Marked price, selling price is equal to marked price minus the discount. Okay, and total discount is equal to discount upon 100 into marked price. And if we would like to calculate discount percent, for that formula is that discount upon marked price into 100, and selling price is equal to marked price into 100 minus discount percent upon 100. And in the same way, if selling price is given to us and discount percent is given to us, at that time we can apply the formula marked price is equal to 100 into selling price upon 100 minus discount percent. Okay beta, now today we are going to solve the question exercise 18.3. okay, and in that exercise we have to find, in some question we have to find selling price, in some question we have to find marked price, and I am going to show you how you will solve your problem. See that now. Now see that beta, exercise 18.3 and question number first. A shop gives 25% discount, means discount percent is how much? 25%. Okay, what would the sale price of each of these be? Okay, you have to find the means selling price. You have to find selling price. Marked price is given to you. Okay, see that now how you will do. Marked price is equal to how much beta? 532.50. okay, and discount percent is how much? Discount percent is beta 25%. In each question, each part of the question you have to do in the same way as I am doing in the first part. Okay, rest of the part you will do yourself in same way as I am doing. Now which formula you will apply beta? Selling price is equal to marked price in bracket 100 minus discount percent upon 100. Okay, so marked price is how much beta? 532.0. 532.50. 100 minus discount percent is given to you 25%. So 100 minus 25 upon 100. So what it will be beta? 532.50 into 75. 100 minus 25, 75 upon 100. Now cancel it by the table of 25, 25 3 ja or 25 4 ja. So if you will multiply the numerator part, it will come beta 1597.5. okay, divided by 4. So what answer you will get? 399.37 if you will divide it. So what will be your selling price? 399.37. So each part, in each part of the question, discount percent is given to you and marked price will be different. Okay, marked price will be different. So you will apply the formula. 6 parts of the question are there, and you will apply the same formula as I have applied. Selling price is equal to marked price 100 minus discount percent upon 100, and after put the values in the given formula and you will reach up to the answer. So in this way, for rest of the part of the question number 1 you will complete yourself. Okay, now I am proceeding to the question number 2. Now see that beta, question number 2. A sofa marked as 15,000. It means marked price is how much? 15,000 is available for rupees 10,000, and its selling price is how much? 10,000. Okay, so it means 15,000 is written over it, and if you will go to take it, you will get it in 10,000. It means you are getting 5,000 discount on it. Okay, so find the discount given and the discount percent. Okay, now see that question number 2 beta. First of all, you write all the things which you have to given. Marked price is how much? 15,000. okay, and selling price is beta 10,000. I taught you just right now the formula. Discount is equal to marked price minus selling price. So it will be 15,000 minus 10,000. So it will be beta how much? 5,000. So first part of the question we have completed. Now what you have to do? Discount percent. So discount percent formula is discount upon marked price into 100. So how much discount you are getting? 5,000. So it will be 5,000 into 100 upon marked price is how much beta? 15,000. Okay. Now make the zeros cancel in this way. 5 3 ja 15, 5 1 ja 5, 0 0 0. Okay. And one more 0 will become cancel. So it will be 100 upon 3. It means 33.33% discount you will get on the sofa. Okay. So in this way you will get the answer of the question. So in this way you have to do the means discount percent formula you will apply in this manner. Okay. Now see that beta. What single discount is equivalent to successive discount of 25% and 5%? See that what he would like to say in this question beta. Ki if a shopkeeper is giving 25% or 5%, two discount. Okay. Two discount on a single thing. But if he would like to give one single discount, that what should be that discount? Suppose ये वो 25% का भी डिस्काउंट दे रहा है एक चीज पर और दो इक्विवेलेंट डिस्काउंट दे रहा है और उसी चीज पे फिर अगेन आपको 5% का और डिस्काउंट मिलेगा. पर अगर वो एक सिंगल डिस्काउंट दे तो उसको कितने परसेंट का डिस्काउंट देना चाहिए? फॉर दिस वी हैव वन फॉर्मूला. आई एम गोइंग टू टीच यू दैट. Just see that here two discounts are given in this question. Na? See it now. Question number. This is third. Okay. D1 first discount is how much? 25%. And second discount is how much beta? D2 is 5%. If you would like to find equivalent discount percent is equal to D1 plus D2 minus D1 into D2 upon 100. This will be the formula for that. See that here value of D1 is how much beta? What is the value of D1? 25. So 25 plus 5 minus D1, 25 into 5 upon 100. So what you will get? It will be 25 plus 5, 30. And minus 125 upon 100. So it will be 30 minus 125 beta. Sorry, 30 minus, if you will put the decimal, it will come 1.25. So it will come beta 28.75% discount he will give if he will give one single discount, and this will be your answer. Okay. Now see that beta question number 7. Sorry, question number that is 4. Kabir sold a DVD player at 5760. So this is your selling price. After giving successive discount of 10% and 20%. Means two discount he has given. Okay. After first discount, that will be, means whatever the value will come, that will be your again marked price, and again on that marked price he will give one more discount, that will be of 20% respectively. Find the marked price and also the single discount equivalent to these successive discounts. Okay. Now see that how we will solve this problem. First part, we have to given selling price of the DVD player in question number 4th. Okay. See that now. Marked price is how much beta? No, sorry, selling price. Selling price is beta 5760. 5760. Okay. And two discounts are there. D1 is of 10% and D2 is of beta 20%. Okay. D1 is of 10% and D2 is of 20%. Now what you have to find? You have to find successive discount. First of all, equivalent discount. No? Equivalent discount percent is equal to, just now we have done this, D1 plus D2 minus D1 into D2 upon 100. Okay. So D1 is how much beta? 10 plus 20 minus 10 into 20 upon 100. So what will be that? 10 plus 20 beta, 20 plus 10, 30, and minus this 0 will become cancelled. 2 1 ja 2, 30 minus 2 is equal to beta 28% will be the equivalent discount value. Okay, now in the second part of the question, means B part, same part of, still you have to find that if this is the selling price and after giving these two discount, what will be its marked price. Okay, so selling price is equal to, this formula you will apply, marked price 100, marked price, selling price is equal to marked price 100 minus discount, here D1 we will take first, upon 100. So marked price is, this will be selling price. Okay, because here what we have to give, 5760. Okay, and let, we don't know what is the marked price, let marked price is equal to X. Yet what we will do, we will take as marked price is equal to X. Now selling price SP1 it will come, because to still one more discount he will get on it. ये आपकी सेलिंग प्राइस नहीं होगी, इसके बाद जो आएगा उस पर एक और डिस्काउंट आपको देना है, तब वो आएगी आपकी एक्चुअल सेलिंग प्राइस SP2 जो आएगी. सो हाउ यू विल डू, मार्क प्राइस इज बेटा X, 100 minus discount is how much beta, X. Okay, no sorry, discount is 10% upon 100. So what it will be beta, SP1 is equal to X into 90 upon 100. So it will be beta 90x upon 100. This will be your SP1, है ना. But still what it will be beta, now this SP1 will be as marked price. SP1 is equal to 90x upon 100, and this will be as now MP1. Previously MP we have taken, it will be MP1. Now on this MP1 still he will give one more discount, that is of 20%. अभी उसको एक और discount देना है, ठीक है. तो what will be now, at that time you will get SP2 is equal to MP marked price 100 minus D2, okay, upon 100. So this is your marked price. Now put the value here, 90x upon 100. 100 minus discount is now beta 20%, or whole divided by 100. So see that SP2 is equal to, this will be selling price. So 90x upon 100 into 100 minus 20 means 80 upon 100. So these zeros will become cancel. So it will be beta 9 8 ja 72x or upon 100. This will be SP2. But SP2 is already given to you, na, ki that he has sold the means DVD player at this cost after giving two discount, 5 means 10% and 20%. So 5760 is your SP2. So put the value here. SP2 is already 5760 is equal to 72x upon 100. So in this way you will find the answer. So see that now I am going to do second part of the question here only. Okay, so 5760 is equal to 72x upon 100. So 5760 into 100 is equal to beta 72x. So x is equal to 5760 into 100 or divided by 72. Okay, now make them cancel. Okay, by so if you will divide by this 72 to 5760 beta na, 80 times it will become cancel, and marked price will come as 80 into 100, and it will be beta 8000. This will be your marked price and this will be your answer. So in this way you will solve the problems. Okay. Now beta see that Barun allows 10% discount on the marked price of his goggles and still makes a profit of 20%. If his profit over the sale of the goggles is rupees 45, find the marked price of the goggles. Okay, what you have to given, profit you have to given, profit percent you have to given, discount percent you have to given, and you have to find the marked price. Okay, so how you will do this question beta? For finding the marked means you have beta profit percent is equal to how much? 20%. Okay, discount percent is how much beta? 10%. Okay, and profit is how much beta? Profit is of rupees 45. Okay, so how you will do? Profit percent formula, you know that profit upon CP into 100. For that we need CP. So what you will do? Let CP is equal to beta X. Okay, so now put profit percent is how much beta? 20%. So 20 right here. Profit is 45 upon CP is X into 100. So what it will be beta? 20x is equal to 45 into 100. So x is equal to 45 into 100 upon beta 20. है ना? 25 जा 100. So x will come beta equal to 45 into 5 will be 225 rupees. Okay. Now you know that selling price you know na, in previous chapter you have learned that selling price is equal to beta CP plus profit, है ना? So selling price is equal to CP is how much beta? Cost price just now you have calculated 225 plus 45. So how much it will come beta? 270 rupees. Now you have to find marked price. What is the formula for marked price? Is equal to 100 into selling price upon 100 minus discount percent. Okay, so 100 into selling price is 270 upon 100 minus discount percent. 100 minus discount percent is 10. So it will be beta, see that now, 100 into 270, 100 into 270 upon 100 minus 10 means 90. So 93 ja 270 or 103 ja 300. So selling price will be beta how much? 300. So in this way you will do the question. Means you have to see that what things you have to given and what are the knowledge you got in the previous chapter, how you can implement that, or in this way you will complete the question. Now see that beta question number 6. It is very similar to the question number 5. So this question number 6 you will do in your homework. Now I am coming to the question number 7. Okay, and see that Manglu marks a frock for rupees 875. Okay, marked price is how much? 875 and allows a discount of 20%. Find the selling price of the frock. See that what you have to given in this question number 7. See that marked price is how much beta? 875 and discount percentage of 22%, and you have to find selling price is equal to what? So you just apply the formula of selling price for that. Selling price is equal to marked price 100 minus discount percent upon 100. Okay, this is the formula. So apply that marked price formula. You have to learn. Without learning the formula you cannot solve the problems. So it will be 875 into 100 minus discount 22 upon 100. So it will be beta 875. 100 minus 22 means 78 upon 100. So after it, this will come your selling price. So SP is equal to beta, if you will multiply them, it will come 68250 upon 100. So and only 10 will remain there. So it will come here. So what will be its cost? 682.5 rupees. That will be your selling price and this will be your answer. So in this way you have to solve the problem, but first priority is to learn the formulas. Now come to the question number 8. Mahesh allows a discount of 12% on a cooler and still gains 10%. Allows a discount of 12% on a cooler and still gains 10% if he bought it for rupees 3800. Okay, if he bought it 3800, bought means this is the selling cost price. Find the list price means marked price you have to find. Okay, what will be the marked price? See that beta how you will do this question. See it again. CP you have to given 3800 in this question. CP is 3800. Okay, and profit percentage beta how much? 10%. So you know that profit percent is equal to profit upon CP into 100. Now this formula you are doing from the previous chapter. Profit percentage beta 10% is equal to profit upon CP 3800 or into 100. Okay, so profit amount in this way you will calculate. Profit is equal to 3800 into 10 or divided by this 100 will come in the denominator. Now make them cancel. So profit will be beta 380. Okay, you know that selling price you can find with the help of the profit, CP plus profit. So CP is how much beta? 3800. Profit is of 380. So this will be selling price. So selling price is equal to beta 4180 rupees. Okay, now you have to find the marked price. List price means marked price you have to find. So marked price is equal to beta selling price into 100 upon 100 minus discount percent. So selling price is how much? 4180 into 100 upon 100 minus discount percent is 10%. 12% discount he is giving, sorry, 12. So it will be beta 4180 into 100 divided by beta 88. Okay, now make them cancel. By which table they can be cancelled? 2 4 ja 2 4 ja 44. Here 2 2 ja, no? Then 1 will come, 2 9 ja or 0 or still 22. And here if you will make it cancel by 2, it will be beta 1045. Okay, similar. So it will be 104500 or divided by 22. And after division, it is coming equal to beta 4750 rupees, and this will be your answer. Okay, so in this way you will do this question. Now see that beta question number 9. Marked price is given to you, discount percent is given to you. You have to find selling price. So you will apply the formula of selling price for that. See that marked price is 2200 and discount percent is 22. So in this way rest of the part of this question you will do yourself. Okay, marked price is 2200 and discount percent is 22%, and we have to find selling price. Okay, see that we have to given beta in first part we have to given question number 9 A part. Marked price is beta 2200 and discount percent is 22%. Okay, you have to find selling price is equal to what? So how you will do? Apply the formula of selling price is equal to marked price 100 minus discount percent upon 100. So marked price is how much beta? 2200. 100 minus discount percent is 22 upon 100. So it will be 2200 into 78 upon 100. So make them, these 0 will become cancelled. Multiply 22 and 78. You will get 11716 rupees, and this will be your answer. Okay. So in this way rest of the part somewhere you have to find marked price, selling price and discount percent is given to you. So you apply directly formula and get the answer. Okay, for the rest of the questions. So you will not directly put the answers in your table. You will no need to make table. Only in the question form you will do in your copy also, as I am doing rest of the part of the questions also. Okay, now come to the question number, that is beta 10. See that what is that question? An electronic shop owner allows a successive discount of 10% and 5%. Find the net selling price of a rice cooker if its marked price is 4500. Okay beta, here 2 discount he is giving. So here we will find 2 times SP1. Okay, and this is the marked price. Okay beta, this is marked price. So see that here in this question he is not asking, वो ये नहीं पूछ रहा आपसे कि इक्विवेलेंट डिस्काउंट क्या होगा, इसलिए यहाँ पर इक्विवेलेंट डिस्काउंट निकालने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. आपको 2 अलग अलग डिस्काउंट से उसकी सेलिंग प्राइस को फाइंड करना होगा. सी दैट कि हम इसको कैसे करेंगे इस क्वेश्चन को. देखो बेटा, नाउ सी दैट बेटा D1 is equal to 10% in this question and D2 is equal to 5%. marked price is 4500. Okay, so how we will do? SP selling price we have to find. तो फर्स्ट डिस्काउंट के बाद क्या होगी? सेलिंग प्राइस, मार्क्ड प्राइस 100 माइनस डिस्काउंट परसेंट अपॉन 100. सो मार्क्ड प्राइस आपको 4500 गिवन है. सो 100 माइनस पहला डिस्काउंट 10 रुपीज़ का डिवाइडेड बाय 100. इसको आपने सॉल्व करा तो ये आपका कितना आया? 4050 आया. लेकिन अभी इस पर एक डिस्काउंट और दे रहा है, वो कितने का? 5% का. इसका मतलब ये क्या हो जाएगी? वहाँ पर फिर से आपकी मार्क्ड प्राइस हो जाएगी. इसको हम MP1 से शो कर रहे हैं. तो SP2 निकालनी है आपको, वो होगी आपकी एक्चुअल सेलिंग प्राइस. तो उसको कैसे निकालोगे आप? MP1 100 माइनस D2 अपॉन 100 है ना, क्योंकि अभी हमारे पास एक दूसरा D2 है. सो 4050 इंटू 100 माइनस 5 अपॉन 100. सो 405 100 माइनस 5 मीन्स 95 अपॉन 100. सो ये कितना हो जाएगा? 38475 अपॉन 10 आ रहा है ये. और इसका मतलब यहाँ डेसिमल लग जाएगा, तो इट विल बी 3847.5 रुपीज़. दिस विल बी द फाइनल सेलिंग प्राइस. एंड हियर योर एक्सरसाइज 18.3 has completed, beta. And now we are continuing with the exercise 18.4 now. Now see that, beta. What is the question? See that this question now, 18.4, question number first. The price of a music system is 23,000. The sale tax charge on it. You know na that whenever you are going to purchase anything from the market, at that time you are paying tax also on it, है ना. Other than apart from the price, है ना, apart from the cost, you have to pay the tax also. Nowadays we are paying GST and SGST, and previously it was VAT. Okay, so how we are calculating that? See that price is this 23,000, but on this 23,000 we will pay 12% tax also. So we have to find that how much amount we will pay if we will purchase this music system. See that, beta, how you will do this question. Okay, cost of music system is how much, beta? 23,000. Okay, and VAT means tax is how much, beta? 12%. So what will be cost? Actual cost is equal to cost of music system, okay, plus 12% of 23,000. Okay, so cost of music system is 23,000 plus 12%, 12 upon 100, or off means multiply and 23,000. So make them cancel by these two zeros. So it will be 23,000 plus 12 means 12 into 23. It will come, beta, how much? 2760. Okay, so if you will add them, so actual cost of the music system will be, beta 25760 rupees, and this will be your answer. So in this way you have to do the question of exercise 18.4. Okay, now see that, beta, what is the question number 2, and that is the last question from this chapter. Okay, see that one part of the question I am doing, and then rest of the part of the question you will do yourself, because all the parts of the question are similar. Okay, see that what is the question. If 8% VAT is in the price, means price is not given to us. No, price is given to us. Okay, find the original price of the following item. Okay, after including VAT, the price becomes, beta, how much? 2700. So you have to find the marked price. Na? In previous question we have to given the marked price, and we have to find the selling price. Here selling price is given to us, we have to find the marked price, and in this selling price 8% VAT is also included. So how we will do this question, beta? See that solution how we will do. Okay, see that now. Selling price is how much, beta? A part 2700. Okay, let marked price is equal to, beta, how much? X. Okay, so marked price plus 8% of marked price will become, beta, what? Selling price. है ना? So because this is tax, So marked price is how much? We don't know, that is x. Plus 8% means 8 upon 100, of means multiply, or x is equal to selling price you have to given, that is 2700. Okay beta. So if you will make it cancel, it will 4 2 ja 8 or 4 2 ja 8 or 4 2 ja 8 or 25. Okay, so it will be 25 x plus 2x upon 25. See that what the question will become now. See it. See that x plus 2x upon 25 is equal to beta 2700. Okay, so how you will do 25 1 ja 25, so it will be 25x. Take LCM, 25x plus 2x whole divided by 25 now, है ना, it is in mixed fraction. Now we have solved it, is equal to 2700. 25 plus 2 beta 27x is equal to beta 25, is equal to 2700. So x is equal to how much beta? 2700 into 25 or divided by 27. So 27 1 ja 27. So x is equal to beta 100 into 25, and that is x is equal to 2500, and this will be the marked price of the what it was, radio. Okay, same way you will do the B part of the question. One more part I am doing, that is B part. This time what you have to given, selling price is equal to how much beta? 54,000. Still VAT is how much? VAT is how much beta? 8%. Let again same way you will do, marked price is equal to beta how much? X. So marked price plus 8% of marked price will become beta selling price, that is selling price. Now I put the values. Marked price is how much beta? X plus 8 upon 100. In each question you have to take the same thing in the left side. 8%, 8 upon 100 into x is equal to selling price. On the right hand side's value will be changed, and rest of the calculation part will remain same, 54,000. Okay, so here 4 2 ja 8 and 25. So x plus same way 2x upon 25 is equal to beta 54,000. Okay, so 25 1 ja 25, 25x plus 2x upon 25 is equal to beta 54,000. Okay, so 25 plus 2, 27x upon 25 is equal to beta 54,000. Okay, now here I am doing on the right hand side of the paper. See that. So x is equal to 27x is equal to beta 54,000 है ना, और into 25. So x is equal to beta 54,000 into 25 whole upon 27. So 27 2 ja 54. So it will become 2000, or 25 2 ja 50. So x is equal to beta 50,000 will be the marked price, or in this way you will complete the rest of the part of the question. In this way B C D part you will do yourself. Okay, so in this way beta chapter number 18 we have completed, and rest part of the question whatever I have taught you in the same part, few parts I have leave for your homework, so you will do those questions yourself. Try to do them. If you will have doubt, regular classes you can ask me your doubts also. Okay, and till that, have a good day to all of you.